Welcome back, everyone. It is April 25th. We've just finished two courses, Module 5, Researching Information, and Module 12, Time Management. I've just been informed that the grades cannot be transmitted to the ministry just yet. We need to first return to the school, and then you'll be able to sign the evaluation forms, but it has to be done in person and in the school. This is the ministry's policy, and until they change that, we do not have closure on these two courses. All your work has been saved and recorded, so you don't need to worry about that. When we return to the school, Module 12 was just a soft skill, and it's just a question of submitting the work, which you've done already, and you'll sign your evaluation form. Module 5 still requires a final exam, and that final exam will be very similar to the last bit of work you did, creating a research report and, of course, collecting all the research, but the final exam will be much shorter. We will be starting Module 6 today, Programming Utility Software. So first click on that course. And let me switch to student view so we see the same thing. And then go to learning path. Weekend 1. Don't forget to register your attendance at 8, 12, 1, and 5 p.m. You need to do attendance 4 times a day. And we'll get started right away. We'll become familiar with the Code Academy. So click on Lesson 0. And you have your instructions for your first assignment. We're just becoming familiar with the content of this website here, the Code Academy. The typing tutorial, I got a lot of good feedback on that. And I was requested to try to provide similar type material. So I found something very similar to that for Module 6, and it's called the Code Academy. So we're going to be going there, and our goal for the first couple of hours today from 8 till 10 o'clock is to go to that website, create an account, and go through the first 2 courses there. So let's go there now. So what you want to do is you want to right-click on the link and open in a new tab. If you just click on it directly, it may embed it inside this website here, and we don't want to work with an embedded website. We want to open it up in a separate tab. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to right-click, open in new tab. Here it is up there at the top. And the first thing you got to do here is you got to create an account. Now, there are a lot of courses here. We're not going to do them all, but we're going to pick a nice selection from the Code Academy. Let's click on the sign up link in the top right. And you have a number of ways of creating your account on the Code Academy. It is really up to you how you choose to do it. You can just type in your email and password in directly, or you can use one of these other sites to create your account. I'm already logged into my Chrome browser, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in using my Google account. That's my preferred way of doing it, but like I said, it's up to you how you create your account. And I'm going to select, I have a number of Google accounts. I'm going to select my Milestone account. And I have now created my account. Now you have a number of options here. You have this blue button which guides you and explains things to you gradually, or you can click on I want to explore on my own. So let's click I want to explore on my own, and we can see here we're presented with a couple of popular topics and popular languages, some information here for getting started. What I recommend is come right up here to the very top where it says go to the catalog. If we click on go to catalog, you'll find here the full catalog. So you're going to have different career paths. Okay, so coding foundation, computer science, and so on. You will have different skill paths, but I recommend you just bypass all of that and go straight to the courses. The first course we're going to be doing is Welcome to the Academy, and they're just going to be explaining this website to you. And then we're going to spend the remainder of today and the weekend on the second course, Learning to Code. Let me go ahead and open up the first one, Welcome to the Academy. So I have a new link opening at the top. And just go ahead and click Start. But before you click Start, just come down here, take a look at the overview and the syllabus. What are the objectives here? They're just explaining the course to you and what you will be learning. So let me click back here. So after reading the syllabus or outline, come up here, click Start, and follow it from start to finish. Okay, so it explains to you what you'll be learning in this course and how to interact with this website. When that is done, come back to the second course, Learning How to Code. Again, right-click on it, open in a new tab, and you can begin working your way through the material in that second course. Now, for the first course, Welcome to the Academy, when you're done at the very end, I want you to upload a screenshot verifying that you've completed the content for that first course. The second course, no, you do not have to upload any screenshot for the second course, Learning to Code. I will provide you with instructions on what you should be submitting as we go along. The second course will occupy us for the remainder of the weekend. I'd like to remind you again, please check your email every 30 seconds. And the course website is logging how much time you spend here. So in Learning Path, be sure to right-click every 30 minutes or every 20 minutes or so, and just simply reload the Learning Path so it doesn't log you out, so that it continues logging your time.